Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and can you believe it's been a year? A year since I showcased last year the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Well, they've done it again and again, and you'll see more videos explaining that. But here it is. They've come out with another Crafty Advent Calendar with dies, embossing folders, stamps, embellishments, stencils, and it's especially for the card maker, where you will receive 24 crafty supplies. You can see how large this is. Again, camera's even raised up here, so I'll turn it off to the side. So you are looking at about 14 inches long. It is, if I put this up here real quick, it's 9.5, close to 10 inches wide, and it's about a good inch and a half. Yeah, it's just under an inch and a half wide. So here is the front and all of its most adorable goodness, and then here is what the inside will look like. This, just like last year, this advent calendar is going to contain 24 crafty surprises. Again, especially for the card maker. That's going to include your cutting dies, stamps, embossing folders. I know, embossing folders, stencils, and embellishments. The only thing that you need to add with this are paper, inks, and adhesive, and you will be able to create dozens of projects. Now, you know, I can't show you the contents yet. Nope, cannot do that. I know, mean, boo. But what fun would that be? So make sure you stay tuned on December 1st, where that is when I will start every day opening a box and creating with what's inside each box, just like I did last year. But make sure you get in on this. It is on pre-order at this time. They will ship shortly after, so that you will have it in time for your December 1st, so that you can enjoy all the crafty goodies that they have fit into this absolutely adorable crafty advent calendar. So I hope to see you there. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the art that you create, and especially enjoy the process. And remember what is still most important for me. Always, guys, be creative, and I will talk to you in the next one. Till then, bye.